I struggled a lot with feedback because I didn't want to hurt people's feelings. Over time, I learned that it is the role of the leader to tell people what they need to hear and be direct and be honest. And I owe it to a method called the FBI. The FBI is a way to give both critical feedback and recognition in a way that inspires either behavior change or it inspires someone to keep doing the great thing you want them to keep doing. Each letter stands for something, so it's feeling, behavior, impact, how you felt about this person's specific behavior, what was that behavior, and what was the impact of that behavior. And the idea is if you combine all three things and you give it in that order, it's more productive. The person feels that you really care about them, you're giving them a specific thing that they can do differently next time or keep doing that's great. And the end result is it doesn't feel like an attack, it feels like someone is invested in their growth.